Whack, whack. What are you doing here? Thought I could my own goose, eh? Now is that any way to treat your long-lost feather? Father?
Father? Well, I believe it certainly runs in your family.
He's not my father. He's a cat. Oh, he is overcome. Son, hug your daddy. You're not my father. You're a no-good, evil, conniving, hungry, no-good tomcat.
It's no use trying to soothe thee.
Well, hello.
Another duck. Don't you have a pond to go back to or something?
Meow.
Should you get back home?
Meow, meow. I told you he was a tomcat.
A tomcat? Don't forget it, Honk. We have to reach it. Don't forget. But here, on the same time.
Madam, I be honored, though I'm not your ilk. If we could get together, maybe share a dish of milk.
Sir, I like it, though it's true that it's rough, but when one has things easy, one likes a bit of rough. You
together.